And this one we will continue with the same topic, happiness. Okay, the happiness quiz. Choose the correct answer from the choices given for each statement below. So you can see here, happy people are more successful. Here you are given two options, okay, successful or unsuccessful, but you have to write here happy people are successful. Next is happy children get dash often, less or more often. Happy children get sick less often. 3. Happy kids have more dash, friends or relatives. You have to write here happy kids have more friends. Happy children are dash, helpful or selfish. You have to write happy children are helpful. Happy kids are dash confident, more or less. Here you have to write happy kids are more confident. Happy people dash others to do good, encourage or discourage. Happy people encourage others to do good. Next, happy children dash more than others, cry or smile. Happy children smile more than others. Happy kids are dash, destructive or creative. Happy kids are creative. Happy people eat dash food and play to keep fit, healthy or junk. Happy people eat healthy food and play to keep fit. Happy people are dash during sadness and grief, weak or strong. Happy people are strong during sadness and grief. And here's the activity, okay? The happiness activity. Staying happy is not a difficult task, means to remain happy is not a difficult work, okay? It's not a difficult thing. Happiness needs to be built up by doing positive things. So, how can we build up happiness? In order to be happy, we need to think positive things, okay? Right kind of attitude and habits, obeying our elders, eating healthy and a little discipline brings a lot of happiness. What brings happiness? We have to show our kind attitude and habits, okay, to others, and we have to obey our elders, okay. Then we have to eat healthy foods and we have to be disciplined. So this brings a lot of happiness. Given below are some activities which you need to perform in a week to develop a happy attitude. So here below you can see the activities which you have to do in order to build a happy attitude, okay. So you have to perform these activities in a week to develop your happy attitude, okay. What you have to do in day 1, say hello to someone in your neighborhood or in school to whom you have never said so earlier. So what you have to do is you have to wish someone, say hello to someone or your neighbor, okay, or in school to whom you have never said, okay, hello earlier. Day 2, take a walk to a quiet place without talking to anyone. Your parents should know where you are going, and you have to go for a walk in a quiet place, okay, but at least your parents should know where you are going. Day 3, eat your meal without any disturbance and quietly feeling the taste of every bite. So what you have to do is you have to eat your meal without disturbance and you have to eat your meal quietly, okay, without talking with anyone. Then you have to feel the taste of every bite. Every bite you take, you have to feel the taste of every bite. Observing each of your actions as you eat. Then while eating, what are the actions you do? You have to observe each actions, okay. Feeling the food while chewing, and when you chew the food, you have to feel it, okay. Savoring and enjoying the taste as you eat, and you have to when you are eating, you have to enjoy the taste of food, okay. Day 4, offer your help to someone who who needs, or donate food or old toy or clothes. And in day 4th, what you have to do? You have to help someone who needs, okay, who is in need. So you have to help that person, or you can donate, you can give food, or you can donate your old toys or your clothes. Okay. Day 5, listen to melodious soothing music or song for 15 minutes and enjoy every beat, sound and lyrics of the song. So day 5th, you have to listen to the music, okay, melodious music for 15 minutes. And that time, listening time, what you have to do? You have to enjoy every beat, sound and lyrics of the songs. Day 6th, treat yourself with a fun activity or some yummy food. And in day 6, you can have a fun activity, or you can also eat some yummy food. Okay. Day 7th, give yourself credit for your hard work. And till day 6, you have done all these things, so you have to give credit. Okay, you have to give credit for yourself, okay, for all this hard work you have done till day 6. Think over on your activities of last 6 days and choose one bad food to remove from your diet. And you have to think all the activities which you have done in the last 6 days. You have to remember all these activities, and from that activities you have to choose one bad food and you have to remove that food from your diet. Okay. Hope till here you have understood. Thank you.